Namaste everyone, how are you doing today? We are close to the Phi Phi Island. We are on an excursion island tour from Krabi to Phi Phi Island. Let me show you mesmerizing islands of Thailand. So this is the beautiful Aonang beach of Krabi. So wherever you are staying over there, you can inquire. They will arrange you or they will give you contact details of island tours. And then you can choose. There are like 3 island tours over there: Krabi Island tours, Phi Phi Island tours, and then Phuket Island tours. So we wanted to do only one. Next day our stay was in Phi Phi Island. So how we planned is we took a Phi Phi Island tour from Krabi, could do the island tour, and at the end they could drop us at the Phi Phi Island, so that we saved some money over there. So I don't have to take a cruise again. One way we saved time and money. So I'll explain how the package goes one by one. They will take you via speedboat, and if you see in that map over there, Google Earth I have taken, this is the Krabi, and from the Aonang beach they will from your hotel they will pick you up in a van and drop you at the Aonang beach. They will be having the small centers over there. You can see there are small islands, right? They are Krabi Islands. Look at the crystal clear Andaman Sea. I have not yet visited Andaman Nicobar Islands, but I'm pretty sure it will be like this only. We have many rivers, like many spots in India, which give this kind of feeling, but they are rivers, calm and peaceful rivers. But here it is a sea, the Indian Ocean, and the color was so greenish. Like, I have not added any filters for these videos. I cannot believe, I was so happy to see this. And the first spot which we saw on the way was Chicken Island. Literally it was looking like a chicken. Look at its face and its entire body. It was looking so beautiful. So this entire ocean region has many coral reefs below this area, and because of that the water is very greenish color and very clean. White beaches with this green color water, it was like love at first sight, you can say.
1050. We are leaving from Bamboo Island. So everyone please.
So he was our guide. With each island, he will give us the timeline and give some instruction for us that we have to come back within that time. Otherwise, everybody will be delayed and we will be delayed. For every island, he will give you 1 hour time. If you see here, these are the small boats parked over here, and we can just go here and play in snorkeling water here. It's quite a huge island filled with sea, lush forest, entire coral reef. You see that this band, entire coral reefs are there. Island, the first from Krabi to Phi Phi, and we have 1 hour to roam around, to swim, do whatever you want to do. It is hot here. Let us see what is there inside the bamboo island. You can see blue color ocean everywhere. As the name suggests, you can see many trees, bamboo trees in this island, and it is very cool inside this island. If you see, the outside area is full of Indian Ocean, and the heat might be building up. We left at around 8 o'clock or something like that, and we reached here by 9:30, something like that. So entire area is very cool. These are the on this ocean. Oh my god, we found a new creature. I hope it doesn't do anything to us. Hello and bye bye. Please enjoy your space, we will not disturb you. This is best for snorkeling, swimming, or simply relaxing on this paradise. The white sand, no stones, nothing at all. So you can just enjoy inside the water. So the second island on our list is Viking Caves. So here you cannot go inside, but you can just take a pictures outside. So what is the story behind these Viking caves? A local legend says that a long time ago, sailors lost their boat during a storm and got stuck without any food in these limestone islands. Lying in the mouth of the Phang Na Bay, A cave located on this island was home to a colony of swiftless birds, and the men were able to survive by eating their nests. And they have painted a lot of paintings. The ancient paintings are available inside the island. Due to this, like, it might get spoiled because of the tourism. They have restricted the entry inside.
This is actually a Phi Phi Island. So we came somewhere here. We were close this and we saw this Viking caves here, a lagoon. They asked us to play inside this lagoon.
While swimming, don't go close to those rocks because those rocks are like very sharp. You will get cuts in your legs or hand if you are going very close, like without realizing. You feel it is very safe and all, but please take care of yourself.
From this side, the boats will be parked here. So all the boats will be parked over here and we have to walk inside. And this is the Maya Bay beach. Beautiful beach of the Maya Bay. Boats are not allowed over there.
Maya Bay. The main earning for Thailand is tourism and these biodiversities. So they have chosen different zones for the biodiversities. They call it as a national park. So this comes under Phi Phi National Park, and this Maya Bay is a preserved area. So all the boats are kept outside. You have to walk for a distance and go inside. So the water is so clean. I mean, I cannot explain the scenery over there. It is like coming from the paradise. So after visiting this place, I was not knowing about the beach movie, so I went to room and watched that movie completely. It is a true paradise in Thailand. It is a must visit in your Thailand tour, I can say. As expected, many tourists will be around this area and you will find a lot of washrooms inside this island. Only in this island you can see. Next is Phi Phi Island. So the next island is Monkey Island, or a monkey beach, which is famous for population of wild monkeys that roam the beach and nearby cliffs. While the monkeys are used to humans or visitors, but it is advised to stay away from them. So it is just on the boat they will show you the monkeys. Sometimes they will be very wild. There are some incidents which has happened, and after that they have closed the beach.
After this, they will take you back. Why, these are the speedboats. They will take you back to the Phi Phi Island. Somewhere here, Phi Phi Island, they will drop you, and there's a lunch point over here. So there's a common lunch point somewhere here you can go and have. And this is it. You can roam around Phi Phi Island. It is very beautiful.
As I was saying, though, we took this package Phi Phi Island tour and drop us at Phi Phi, but they will go back to Krabi. The entire team will go back to Krabi. We stayed in this beautiful location, and remaining details I will put it in another video. So Phi Phi Island is very beautiful place. You can roam around. There are no vehicles available here. You just have to walk. So the next day we went for a scuba diving. So if you are planning for a Phi Phi Island scuba diving, in Andaman Nicobar's the scuba diving depth is 5 feet. Here they will take you till 10 feet. Only difficulty is if it is bearable for your ears. First time we did scuba diving in Phi Phi Island. The more details I will put it in another blog. Please check that video out. And wait, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.